Money doesn't buy happiness, but being broke doesn't let you buy anything. Hey everyone, welcome to Next Level. If you have ever felt like your bank account is playing hide and seek with you, trust me, you're not alone. Today, we are going to talk about the basics of personal finance and how you can start building a solid financial foundation even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is personal finance? You might think, isn't it just money stuff? And you'd be kind of right. Personal finance is all about managing your money, but in a smart way, so that you don't end up living off ramen noodles forever. It is split into few parts: budgeting, saving, investing, debt management, and financial planning. Sounds like a lot? Don't worry, we are starting with the basics today, but we'll dive deeper into each one of these in the upcoming videos. Here's a wild stat: 60% of people feel unprepared for the unexpected expenses. And by unexpected expenses, I'm talking about the things like your car breaking down or your friend deciding to get married in another country. Knowing the basics of personal finance gives you control. Instead of being surprised when life throws curveballs, you're ready for them. You won't need to max out a credit card because, well, you'll have an emergency fund in place. More on that in a minute. Let's just say, staying financially illiterate is like going to a boxing match with both hands tied behind your back. Alright, let's build this financial house of yours. And I don't mean a house made of credit cards. Let's keep it simple, shall we? Step 1. Budgeting basics. A budget is like a GPS for your money. It tells your money where to go, so you don't wonder, where the heck did all my money go? Here's a quick method: 50, 30, and 20 rule. 50% goes to essentials like rent, food, and Wi-Fi. 30% is for fun. Yes, fun is allowed, but don't blow it all on avocado toast. 20% goes straight into savings or paying down debt. You can tweak these numbers, but trust me, this structure will give you a reality check faster than your bank's monthly statement. Step 2. Emergency fund. Think of this as your life happens fund. A good rule is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if that sounds overwhelming. Even having $500 saved up is better than having $0, which is roughly the price of one major car repair. Let's talk about debt. It's like fire. It can cook your food or burn down your house. Good debts are things like your student loans or mortgage, where you're investing in your future. Bad debts can be the credit card bills for the things like impulse buys. You know, like the time you bought that treadmill desk that you now use to hang clothes on. Yep, we've all been there. The key is paying down the bad debt first, like those high-interest credit cards. Start with the snowball or avalanche method. Snowball is paying off the smallest debt first, while avalanche is tackling the highest interest first. Both work, just pick one and stick to it. Last but not least, set a financial goal. And no, be a millionaire is not specific enough. We are talking SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Let's say you want to save for a vacation in 6 months. You need $1,500, which means saving at least $250 per month should be your goal if you want to go for the vacation. And there you have it, your first step towards financial freedom. Now, you won't just be adulting, you'll be winning at it. Stick with me, and I promise you'll learn not just how to manage your money, but how to make it work for you. What's your biggest financial goal right now? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and maybe share it with someone whose financial plan is just hoping for the best. Until next time, remember, you control your money, not the other way around. Peace.